Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a unboxing, and you guys know every time I do an unboxing, I do it over a glass of wine, and I like to just unbox this on camera. So today we're going to be doing Goddess Provisions, and I've been doing unboxings for them for probably since the beginning of the year. I actually really love this box. I use everything that's in there. Let me tell you a little bit about the company first. So the monthly Goddess Provisions box comes with 5 to 7 full-size products. Now these products can range from snacks to apothecary items to beauty items to crystals, tea, just basically any kind of spiritual tool. Usually the box carries $80 to $100 worth of products. It's cruelty-free and it's vegan, and it's $33 a month. But if you get like the year subscription or like the 6-month subscription or something like that, you do get a discount. And something that I found really interesting is that for each box sold, they help to plant a tree. If you guys are interested in getting the subscription box, if you like what's in it, I'll leave the link down below. But let's get into what's in here. Is it worth it? Yeah, I'm really excited. I've been holding on to this box for a while. The packaging's really cute. I love the colors, the purples and the light blues. I'm interested to see, so I don't know what the theme is. I think it's like sleep. So this is a hand-poured soy candle. So I'm going to tell you guys the prices of each of these things too. But let's go ahead and review. Oh my gosh, you guys. Do you guys see that? How cute is that? It's a candle and it smells so good, and there's moonstone crystals in here. I love this because I make versions like this on my Etsy shop. So this is so fun that I actually got one created by someone else. This is really cute. Okay, so the next thing I see here is Quantum Beauty Gemstone Power Oil. This is Blissful Balance. It's a tiger's eye stone roller. So that's actually really cute. I'm interested in that because rolling the oil onto your skin with a crystal, that's nice. Oh my goodness, it looks really high-end and fancy. Let's see. Let's see what this smells like. Ooh, very orangey, citrusy. And it is a tiger's eye rollerball. Do you guys see that tiger's eye rollerball? And it just looks so fancy. I love this. This is really like high-end looking. So it has like a vanilla scent in there too. And this is from Passport to Beauty, the brand, and it is a gemstone power oil collection. You know, I would actually go to this company's website and check them out. This is really cool. That you would use for like protection and courage and confidence, power, your willpower. Those are the energies of a tiger's eye crystal. The next thing I see here is Fine and Raw Chocolate. So this is 70% cocoa and sea salt. I've never had a sea salt chocolate, but I've always wanted to try it. So I'm interested to try this. I think me and my boyfriend are going to be trying this after I film. I'm excited for this. Okay, so the next thing I see here is Jade Wisdom and Peace Facial Mask. Oh, perfect. I've been meaning to get myself like a sheet mask. It is a sheet mask. So yeah, this is basically one of those that you just unwrap it, take it out of the packaging, and just put it on your face. And it's the most cooling, relaxing thing ever. Like, come on, over a glass of wine and a face mask. That is one of my favorite things. Ooh, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is really cute. I write with intention and manifest my dreams. I'm guessing it's a pen. This is really fancy. Oh my God, you guys, it's a pen with clear quartz crystals in it. So here's the package that it came in, and here's the pen. How pretty. Do you guys see the crystals? That's really cute. And this is gonna be so powerful. I can't wait to write in my journal with this. Okay, so the last item that I pulled out of here, it's actually a book, and it's called The Crystal Seer. Power Crystals for Magic, Meditation, and Ritual. This is nice. You know, I could use a book like this, and because this, I already can see that there are crystals in here that I am not familiar with. And so I always love to learn about new ones that are out there, maybe that I could get my hands on for my shop for you guys. But yeah, like Blue Moonstone, Brandenburg. This is nice. I can't wait to sit with my glass of wine and the face mask on and just read this book. That sounds like the perfect night for me. If you guys are like me, that just things like that just sound so fun for you, this is the box for you. Like, it just made me so happy, lifted my mood, and gave me something to do. Like, not something, but gave me so many things to do. And just so much knowledge in the monthly subscription box that they send. The last thing I see in here is a crystal. I'm not sure what stone this is. It does look like maybe like a smoky or a black moonstone, but I did find the card at the bottom of the box, and this is what tells you everything that's in there, the name of the company, and also how much, and it gives you coupon codes. So the Lilac and Willow Moonstone Candle is $12. That's not bad. That's actually a cheap price. On top of that, they do give you 15% off. So not a bad price for a candle like that. Okay, the next thing I have here is fine and raw chocolate. The chocolate is a $5 value, and it's made with unrefined coconut sugar, raw cocoa, sprinkle of sea salt. Okay, so the crystal that came in here, it's a labradorite. How did I not know that? That is my favorite stone, and I didn't know that. It's a little bit different. It is labradorite, but it's a lot more smoky. Do you guys see that iridescence in there? Labradorite is my absolute favorite crystal. Just look how beautiful it is. The Crystal Seer book was a $13 value, plus they do give you a 15% off coupon code. So that's not a bad deal. You get a lot of knowledge in this book for 12 bucks. The Jade Wisdom and Peace Facial Mask retails for $3. That's such a nice price for this mask. They give you 20% off code. Okay, the Roll-On Tiger's Eye Rollerball thing is $45. It's a $45 value. So that means you're paying $33 a month, and just with this product alone, you just surpass that $33. Not a bad price, like not a bad deal for your money at all. I'm really interested to see how much is this pen. So this is an $11 value. You know what, if they have different crystals, like different crystals and different pens, I actually want to purchase a whole bunch of them. So that's not a bad deal. I'm gonna check their website out and see if I can get like obsidian or labradorite as well. Now you also get a digital download. So the digital download that you get is a $30 value, and I'm really excited to check that out because I always love just gaining more knowledge and wisdom from others. And so those digital downloads are always like courses or teachings or something really, really interesting and very beneficial for your spiritual growth. So of course, everything surpassed that $33 a month. Really good deal for your money. I will keep doing these reviews as long as they keep sending me these boxes. I'm so thankful, and I think that it's well worth your money because you get so much. You just get so much tools for your own benefit. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you real soon.